Hi, I want to show you an app I created for merging Excel file. For example, I have 3 Excel files here. They have a same format, like in terms of column names and column data, but they could have a different format, different columns. And for example, like all contains partial data. And I want to join all these Excel files into one file. So I created out for that. I want to show you. This is my website. I will leave a link to the description to download app. I'll double click on the download button to start downloading. And wait when it will be downloaded. And click on downloaded archive. Double click on MSI. This window appears because I'm unknown publisher, so I click on more info. Unknown publisher to Microsoft, and click on Run Anyway. Click on Next, Install to start installation, and yes. And application will be installed on my computer. You can see new shortcut appear. I can close this. Now I can open this application and double click. Conversion is like simple three steps process. On first step, I will select files I need to join. Go to my folder with Excel files here. Excel files. I can hold the Shift and select all of them and click open, or I can click on select input files and select more files if I want to. And then on next step, after file is selected, I can click on next step. This is a checkbox, meaning that first a row of every file contains column names, and this is for correct data joining between columns, like in different order. So app can recognize column by name and puts data for specific column into specific part of the final Excel file. And click on next step, and here I just click merge button to create a file. I can specify name over that file and location. I think this name is okay. Just click on save, and you can see file has been saved. Now if I go to my folder, I can see new file has been created, and when I click on it, I will see all my data into all like 50 records. First record is the name of the column, and last record is and all like other records is 50 United States dates. And yeah, so everything was joined, and I got my final Excel file. Please give it a try and let me know if it works for you. Thank you.